Hello guys, good morning. This is Jeffrey and I'm creating this video to express my feelings about the performance of Birds. I was really dismayado, talaga disappointed kasi nawala na naman ako ng internet after working. Hindi pala after working, while working. So biruin nyo, biglang nawala. Kailangan nilang ko sana ng paraan to right away. But the response was really too long. Biruin nyo, I was out of internet for 8 days and yeah, 1,083 lang and 300 pesos lang yung nawala. So they need to respond in appropriate way na sana kung ano man yung nawala, dun sana yung ibalik nila. Imagine I was working from home, I lost almost 4,000 but 300 lang yung kinaltas nila. Sana nilibre na lang yun nilang 1 month bill ko but they did not do that. I'm not sure why. So let's proceed with the video. Complain. Alright guys, I'm recording this video because Converge, no? Grabe. Wala akong net. Hindi naman ako papag-board nito. Grabe talaga ginawa niyo. So, last time I was out of internet for 8 days. Imagine. Out of my bill, 1,375. You guys only deducted 300 something. It's unfair. I'm working from home and I was about to lose my job, you know? Alam niyo ba yun? Converge, ha? I'm not a Filipino rate. Not to brag, but of course, work from home, dollar rate yan. Alam niyo, anong work as a freelancer. But Converge, I need you to wake up, okay? Sana naman, you guys prioritize yung mga nangangailan talaga. Especially for those people working from home. They really they badly needed the internet service. So comment down below sino man dyan ang affected about this review, no? How Converge really perform sucks, promise. So yeah, sino man yung like me na naputulan na internet na hindi pa due date, no? Today is June 17, Monday. I'm looking at the calendar. Yan. And yung due date ko is July 6. So ang layo pa, no? I'm not sure what's wrong with their system, but ang tagal ng responde. If you're gonna file a complaint about losing internet, ang tagal ng responde ng mga dispatcher nila. Sana naman i-prioritize yung mga nagtatrabaho, not for leisure, kasi we're using Converge as internet service na sana maasahan namin. But what's wrong? Please ayusin niyo yung in terms of technical aspect ninyo, not during the yung sales, yung installation nyo so far very fast, impressive, but in terms of technical problem, come on, be realistic. We need the service to be fixed as ASAP. So again, comment down below kung sino mang naapektuhan sa Converge. We are over one. At saka hindi pwede to. It's not gonna work. Converge, wake up. Kung sino man yung Converge people yan, comment down below. Magkaisa tayo. We're gonna file a complaint kung saan man pwede. This is not gonna work. Working from home, binubuhay natin yung family natin, and we have to put something food on their plate. But having no internet service, although may backup tayo, but we can't really rely on our backup, right? So guys, please, I need you to help me. Saan pwedeng, anong gagawin nito para matauhan tong Converge naman. Sana they're gonna make sure that their customers are being prioritized. That's it for me. Please comment down below who are those subscriber are being affected. Let's work on together.